Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the keyboard on a Dell Inspiron 7573. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove bottom base screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove mSATA SSD. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Now disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Now disconnect and remove wireless card. Then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Then unscrew and disconnect daughter board. Then separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Then disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove keyboard bracket. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.